In this video, I'm going to show you how to install RobotTrader on the VPS. So here is my downloads folder. So I've downloaded the installer for RobotTrader. So I'm going to click on that, right click and copy. And on the VPS desktop, I'm going to right click and paste it on here. Okay, so at this point I need to have both my MT4 terminals closed. So I run the installer, I just step through all the dialogues, accept the agreement, and here I pick the target MT4 folders, which in this case is going to be my two JDR securities folders. So now we'll go into one of the terminals. I'll close all these example charts. And start by creating a new blank chart. So File, New Chart. $. I'll change it to the daily time frame. Then I'll right click and go to template, and here you'll find that RobotTrader installs a couple of templates, blank chart and blank chart color. So that one's blank chart color, and this one is blank chart. So I normally use this on the VPS when trading robots. So go to Window and Tile Windows. And now if I drag RobotTrader onto a chart, this account's not yet been activated, so you'll see I get an error message which tells me I need to request that this account number is activated. So at this point you can just send an email to contact@actionstowealth.com with this account number, details of the broker, so JDR Securities, and if it's a live or demo account, for that to be activated. So I will do that now. So the MT4 account has now been activated for use of RobotTrader and also Trader's Toolkit. So now when I drag RobotTrader on the chart, it'll load, and similarly if I create a second chart I can install Trader's Toolkit on that. Now at this point, because this is a new MT4 installation, I may not have the data downloaded for all the charts. So let's start by checking that. So I go into the menu and select all symbols and check the results. So right now it's finding only one symbol. So it should find 29 altogether. So it needs to scan the data a few times before it will populate all the symbols. So I should be able to force this by dragging Trader's Toolkit onto the chart again. And now in the results, let's see what happens. So now I have got 29 symbols. We've actually read all the data for each symbol, and that's loaded into MT4. So you can check that just by clicking on the first symbol and then scroll down to make sure all the charts have data there. So I'm going to remove this chart because all I need is RobotTrader. So in the next video, I'll show you how to configure a few of the automated strategies to run on this VPS.